YouTube, alright, I'm here with Xavier. He's in the background, but I really don't want you guys to see the cut. Alright, I don't want you to see the cut right now, but we're gonna do like a little, let me see if I can show his like without the cut. Alright, there we go. We got Xavier in the building. I'm not trying to show his cut right now because I need you guys to see it to the end, alright? So, yeah, my man Xavier came all the way down here from where?
San Jose.
San Jose, alright, San Jose. He's real excited to get the cut. But hey, he don't have any social media right now, so I don't know where you guys go. He's an inspiring barber though. Talk to him, talk to him.
I don't know what to say.
He said, I don't know what to say. Listen, he's trying to be a barber, so he's only like 12? He's only 12, alright? He's gonna do it, alright? He's gonna do it. I'm already blowing it by showing the cut. But if you like the cut, alright, stay tuned to see how it's done. Peace. Alright, so to start this haircut off, what you want to do is start by sectioning the hair first. I'm just sectioning off the hair using my duck clips, making sure that no long hairs is, combed over on the other side of the comb over. You want to make sure that the hard part is visible and that you comb everything so everything can be laid in place before you actually start cutting. Now using the 2-guard open, I'm going to take off some bulk on the sides. Now I'm going to use my comb as a way to stop the clipper from digging in or going so high. I'm just going to feed the hair into the clippers and let the clippers do the work. Now that the hair is lowered to a length where I can set in my bald line and it can look clean, I'm setting in my bald line with the Andis cordless T outliners, and I'm doing it in a, contour way that best fits my client's head shape. Now I'm going to clear out the rest of the bulk using my Andis cordless BGRC with the 5/0 blade. Now with the lever open, I'm going to go up about 1 inch, making sure that I keep the same width all the way through. Same thing with the one guard open, go up about 1 inch. Make sure you keep that width consistent all the way through. Now putting on that 2 guard open, I'm not necessarily creating a guideline. I'm just kind of putting the clipper on the side of my client's head and running it straight up, just getting some of that bulk on the sides. So right now I'm gonna do some clipper over comb. Right now I want that straight up look, right? So I'm just digging my clipper into my client's head and then pulling out just a tad, getting some of that hair off with my clippers, and just, trying to get that shape right. So with this step, I switched clippers. I'm using my Oster's fast feeds with the 0 guard closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm flicking out that middle line. Now the reason why I'm using this clipper is because the Oster's fast feeds is a slower motor, and my theory is if it's a slower motor, you have room for error, whereas the clipper with the faster motor, like the Wall cordless seniors, those could kind of take off too much hair at one time, especially when you're doing this flick out motion. This is kind of a freestyle, wrist motion. So what you want to do is use a clipper with a slower motor, especially if you're a beginner. And I just feel like for myself, I come out with a better blend by, using my fast feeds to flick out the middle line. Now switching back to the cordless seniors, with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Keep in mind that as you go up into that lever open area, you're gonna have to adjust the lever as you go up. So I put on my one guard open again just to bring that fade up a little bit more, lighten that area where I'm working at a little bit more, just so it could be a better transition. Now using my Bronze Series 9, I'm gonna just create another transition at the bottom by making it razor bald. So right now I'm just gonna mist my client's hair with water just to get the hair a little bit wet. That way I could separate the hair much more easier so I could set in my hard part. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like the beat, make sure you check out the link in the description below. HustleDreamProduction, his link to his YouTube channel will be in there. If you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the links in the description below as well. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, my Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.